everyone, I'm a Year 1 student of the Integrated Environmental Management Program IEM at EdUHK. I have chosen the IEM as it offers me an interdisciplinary approach in dealing with environmental issues from different perspectives. Also, studying IEM at EdUHK, we have small class lecture that we can easily interact with our lecturers to learn better. My two major courses studying now are Ecology and Society and Nature. In the course of Ecology, I have learned about the behavior of animals. For example, animals have imprinting behavior, in which newborns follow the first moving object they see. Moreover, we had a field trip at the beginning of the course. Although it is not easy to collect data in the field trip, I have more time to know each other with my classmates outside the classroom during work. In the second major core, Society and Nature, I learned about the relationship between human and nature, how humans' development may affect the nature. We have an overseas field trip in the summer semester between Year 2 and Year 3. I'm looking forward to it as it is a good chance for me to explore more about this major in other universities. In addition to academic excavation, I hope to experience other countries' culture through this field trip. Studying the IEM program at EdUHK offers a variety of learning opportunities. You will get more than you can imagine. I hope to see you in the IEM program in the future.